Kung meron kang emergency fund na kayang i-cover ang 1 month worth of expenses at nabibili mo lahat ng pangangailangan mo nang hindi naglo-loan or umuutang, then definitely you're on the right track. Hi everyone! This is Jeff and welcome back to my channel kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang personal growth, personal finance, and how we will achieve freedom mentally and financially. Paano nga ba natin malalaman if we are on the right track financially? In today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang mga indications na we are doing well in terms of financial and what are the things that we have to keep in mind for us to stay on the right track. In this day and age, napakabilis na lamang mahulog sa trap ng society, especially dahil sa mga nakikita natin sa social media. Lavish lifestyle, extravagant vacation, big houses, expensive cars. Iilan lamang ang mga ito sa nagiging basehan ng mga Pinoy kung successful ba o hindi ang isang tao. In fact, the majority of Filipinos are always comparing themselves either with their friends, colleagues, or even with their relatives. This means na ang nagiging reference natin in terms of achievements ay ang ibang tao na in my opinion ay hindi dapat. Kung meron tayong savings, that is enough to cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in the event na mawalan tayo ng trabaho or hindi tayo nagbabayad ng loan or pagkakautang every payday, which means makakapag-save tayo for future investments, then definitely we are doing well. At hindi natin kinakailangan i-compare ang ating mga sarili sa iba at hindi natin kailangan ng social validation. That leads me to my second point, which is to not compare yourself to the others. Try to imagine yung time na nagsisimula ka palang magtrabaho at kumikita ng hindi ganun kalakihan, pero hindi mo kinukumpara ang sarili mo sa iba. Hindi ba ibang-iba yung pakiramdam at saya ng mga oras na yon na hindi ka pa nakikipagkompetensya? Kumpara sa mga oras na mas malaki nga ang kinikita mo pero you are always trying to compete to others kaya ang nararamdaman mo ay laging discontentment even in reality you are really doing well. Another negative effect din nito is we always feel bad or sad psychologically. Dahil pakiramdam natin hindi nagpro-progress ang pamumuhay or career natin. Even in fact, if we are going to compare our current selves sa ating past selves, sobrang laki na ng naging jump ng progress natin professionally and financially. So avoid comparing ourselves to the others and you will start to notice yung mga small and big wins that you've already achieved. And you will be surprised kasi makikita mo na layo na rin pala ng narating mo kumpara nung nagsisimula ka pa lang. Based on a study, more than 60% of Filipino households are living paycheck to paycheck. Meaning, wala silang savings and the only way for them to address an emergency is through loan or credit. Bakit nga ba ito nangyari? Majority na mga Pinoy ay hindi alam ang kanilang financial health and not fully aware na ang lifestyle nila is already living beyond their means. Kaya sobrang importante na alam natin kung saan napupunta ang pera natin. Either using personal tracker like spreadsheet, which I personally use, or other medias like mobile applications that can help us track our expenses. By doing this, makakasigurado tayo na ang spending behavior natin ay hindi lagpas sa income or salary natin. Also, this can help or guide us to really live below our means, which is applicable naman talaga to most Filipinos. Kasi, majority of us are only receiving minimum wage or minimum salary that can't really keep up with inflation. Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang goals at pangarap na gusto natin ma-achieve. At lahat din tayo may kanya-kanyang paraan or way kung paano natin gustong matupad ang mga yon. Kaya, huwag tayo magpapadala sa mga taong nakapaligid sa atin, especially those na may negative thoughts or negative mindset. Always remember, walang ibang nakakakilala sa atin kundi tayo mismo. Let me share a quote from Warren Buffett, who is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and one of the wealthiest people in the world. He says, Would you rather be the world's greatest lover but have everyone think that you're the world's worst lover? Or would you rather be the world's worst lover but have everyone think that you're the world's greatest lover? In other words, gusto mo bang isipin ng ibang mga tao na ikaw ay nakakaangat sa buhay dahil sa iyong granding lifestyle at mga mamahaling gamit? Pero in reality, ikaw ay baon sa utang dahil you are already living beyond your means. In short, a fraud or a loser. Or isipin ng mga tao na hindi ka nagpro-progress dahil sa simpleng pamumuhay. But in reality, you are really doing well. In fact, you are already living in your own terms kasi na-achieve mo na yung tinatawag na financial freedom. In short, a winner deep down. Those are some of the things that we have to keep in mind for us to really know that we are on track financially. If you agree sa lahat ng mga napag-usapan natin today, please feel free to share this video to those na tingin natin na kailangan ng reminder that they are still on track and they just have to focus on themselves. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you again next week.